dreams are discussed in Vedanta Sutra, and Baladevi Vibhushan, he gives a commentary on Vedanta Sutra called Govinda Vasya, which is in English. Some people have it on their editions in folio. This is by Krsna Swami translation. You can buy it. And you can look up dreams there. And it does mention there that it said dreams of Krishna are reality. They're real. When I directly asked my teacher about this, and that's how I came to know. He said, yes, in Vedanta Sutra, part 4, it was like part 4 in chapter and section and verses, quite many breaks. But part 4, it describes how dreams are real, especially, and then my teacher said that one dreams of like Guru or Krishna is very rare and it's very special. Exactly what to make of it, or what it means, that may not be so clear or so applicable. In a Vedanta Sutra, when it's describing, it says, Swapna Satyam. It says Swapna, dreams are Satyam, truth. They're truth, because sometimes in dreams, and gave examples, one receives a mantra in dreams. Sometimes one sees the object of their sankalpa. Sankalpa means some sadhaka or some yogi or practitioner or meditator or vairagi. He takes sankalpa, he takes a vow that I will chant so many mantras. I'm worshipping this Ishtadev, and I will chant so many mantras. And the purpose of chanting these mantras is to attain mantra siddhi, now have the darshan of this Ishtadev. So what it cites in the Vedanta Sutra, that sometimes one may see Kamakya Devi. Kamakya Devi is a form of Durga, and there's a big famous temple of her, I believe, in Nepal, Kamakya. And she fulfills Kam, her desires. So many yogis or tantrics or whatever, there's some mantra to worship her, and they chant that mantra to attain the fulfillment of, they want a particular power, they want to attain someone, whatever. And so sometimes people worship Kamakya to attain, gave the example, to attain a beautiful woman. Like they have a phrase in America, the woman of my dreams. That perfect woman or perfect match or whatever. So someone may want that, to marry a very beautiful woman. So apparently in the Vedas and ancient Puranas there's some type of mantras and rituals and pujas to do, which includes the worshipping of this powerful Devi form of Kamakya. So in the Vedanta Sutra it says sometimes that sadhaka will see the fulfillment of his sankalpa in the dream when he gets close to the perfection of his mantra. So he's going to chant for 50 or 60,000 times the mantra, like 18 hours a day for 6 months. And many other rules and regulations you have to follow. Don't see the sunshine, stay in dark all day, eat once a day, many things for mantra siddhi. And then a few days before, that will actually, if it will be fulfilled in the dream, you'll see the woman of your dreams. You'll see, it will be shown. So that dream was Satyam, that's true. Because in a few days later, some beautiful woman shows up at your kutir or whatever, and says, I know that you want to marry or whatever. I don't know, it doesn't explain all that. So one may see the fulfillment of their sankalpa in the dream, it says this. One may receive a mantra in a dream. One may receive a formula of a medicine in a dream, or see Bhagavan or Guru. So all these things are true, and so dreams are true, but many dreams are totally crazy, so they may not all be true. Like I asked him, he said sometimes, that's what he said, sometimes dreams are true.